Hello, welcome to Excel tutorial channel. Today we will play with the month numbers in this tutorial. So let's dive into it. So this is the sample sheet I have to work on to demonstrate this formula. Now what we will calculate? We will calculate the month number from the month date and name from the month date, and we will calculate or get month name from the number and number from the name. So I know this is quite complex when I'm saying, but it's very easy when we calculate it or find it. So let's dive into the first column, which is month number from the date. To calculate, it's very easy. Is equal to open bracket month open bracket and get the date, and here you close the bracket and here you get the month number. This is very easy to get. But yes, to find out the month name from the date, we need the text formula text. We will select first date, right, and comma, and format text. In format text we will inverted comma start. We will include the abbreviation, month abbreviation. MMM will be like January, like it's stated in the first. January will be written as a Jan. If you want to include the all, you can add n number of n's, like if January, how many letters in January, you can add that much letter to the m to therefore. So 3-word abbreviation is standard in all businesses, in all formats. So January, I will include only 3. Just close the bracket and click enter. Here you get the month name. Next will be number 2 name. So we have these numbers which already have found out. So to calculate, okay, so next is number to the name. To calculate this formula, we need also text formula like this. Here you get the Jan. It's wrong because the month is 5. Why we get this? We need to multiply this value with 28. Why? Because Excel, for the Excel, 1 is equal to 1 January 1990 or 2019, right? If you calculate from the 5, it will be 5th January 1990. To calculate the month, we need to multiply such number with 28. Why 28? Because we all know we have 28 days in February. To evaluate such thing, like to evaluate second month, we need 2 into 28 is equal to Feb, and 3 into March, and so on. So we need to multiply by 28 to get the month name from the number to evaluate the correctly. So here it is. You can enter and drag and drop. You get all the values. So last is name to number. We have got these names already. Find out these names. So calculate this. To calculate this, we need 2 formula in between. One is month and date value is equal to month, date value. Here is the date, May, and inverted comma start 1 inverted comma close the bracket. Why we got this and into 1? Because 1 for the Excel, that is number, and number from the date, so it will noted as 1 in inverted comma to tell the Excel that we want to calculate the month number from the name. So here it goes. You get the 5th May. You get the same. Hope you like this video. Hope you satisfied with this explanation. If you don't, please comment below and I will get back to you. And if you need to learn more formulas, please subscribe to this channel, or you can check out our website exceltutorial.net. We are updating every day, like 4 to 5 tutorials each day. So if you need anything else, please let us know. We will get back to you. Thank you so much.